In this video, I'll show you how to clear a paper jam on your Canon TS3720. It's the Pixma TS3720. How do you do it? Well, very simple. Once you get the error on the screen here telling you that it's a paper jam, or maybe you don't even get it, or you maybe don't even understand what's happening, what you need to do is to find it. So first place where you need to check is right over here where you put your ink cartridges. Let me just put back this tray. Open this lid. Your ink cartridge may slide, but if there's a paper jam, there's a chance that they will get stuck in the middle. Okay? And then take a look, maybe with a flashlight, to see if there's any piece of paper stuck there. If so, take your fingers or some tweezers and remove that. Close the lid. Now another place where you can look is where the paper goes in the printer here. Sometimes it can get stuck. Again, take it out if you see it from there. Now once the paper is actually removed, what you need to do is to unplug the printer from the power cable here. So simply remove it, wait about 2 minutes, and then plug it back. Once you've done this, press the power button and the paper jam error should be gone, as long as you removed every piece of paper that was stuck. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.